Hi, my name is Jerry Coates. I'm a member of the GIS Mapping Center, and today I'm going to show you how to select streets using the point icon in the leaf collection application. This is one version of our on point that we have for leaf collection. I have zoomed in to an area of the county that will allow me to mark some of the streets, showing that they have been cleared of leaves. Zoomed in kind of tight so you can see the different lines on the street. It allows you to see that there is 3 lines for each street that allows you to select each side of the street. To start with, we'll select the Tools menu, go in and select the editing option. The editing option brings up a box, and there is only one feature that is available on the editing option. All the others are grayed out. So I'm going to select that, which is the selection tool. Once I select the selection tool, it brings up a box with the other options under selections. Shows you that you have a selection layer, leaf collection status, that is the editable layer in this tool. It also shows you the different ways that you can do a selection. You can do a selection by polygon, by line, by point, by circle, and rectangle. In this particular feature, we're going to use the point icon to select. Click on the select by point, go in and select a street. Once I click on the street, it will pop up and be highlighted. Now we're going to go in and select additional streets. The default for the selection tool is for you to do a street and do one street. If you'd like to do multiple streets, then you have to go into the selection window under the yellow drop down options and change it. So the first one says make new selection. Now we're going to add to a selection. Now click on the radio button for add to selection. I'll also tell you that if you want to at some point delete from a selection, let's say that you have selected a street you didn't want to select it, you need to go in and change it to delete from a selection, and you can click on that selection and delete it, and I'll show that to you later. Okay, so now that we have add to selection, I'm going to go in and click a couple of other streets and highlight them. Let's say I'm going to click here in the center, and I've selected 2 sections of a street, and I really didn't want to do that. So I'm going to go back and click on delete from selection. Click on this street here. That will remove that from my selection. Now I have 4 sections of the street. I want to go in and change the streets to green to show that they have been cleared. So I need to go back to the editing menu. Now that I have selected all my streets, there's another option that's available to me in the editing menu, and that's the attribute editor. I'm going to click on the attribute editor. It lists all 4 segments of the streets that I have here. If I want to highlight them all at one time using the bulk update feature, I can click on the leaf collection status under attribute editor. It enables the bulk update feature. Now I can go to the leaf status P1 and click on the drop down, select yes for updating, press the update button, and all of my streets should turn green and be highlighted. I'm going to close the attribute editor window, and now you can see that all of the streets have been highlighted. That is how you go in and select streets using the point icon in the leaf collection tool. If you have any questions, please contact me, Jerry Coates, at extension 4391. You can also contact Tim Ernest, Bill Everingham, or Mary Beth Fletcher regarding this application. Thank you.